Hello, welcome back to my channel. Subscribe and share my next product reviews. Let us begin. The ordinary hair care product, multi-peptide serum for hair density. A multi-peptide serum for hair density is a specialized formulation designed to promote hair growth and improve hair thickness and density. Peptides are short chains of amino acids that can penetrate the scalp and stimulate hair follicles, promoting hair growth and overall hair health. Here is how such a serum might work. Peptide complex. The serum would contain a blend of peptides specifically chosen for their ability to stimulate hair follicles and promote hair growth. These peptides may include ingredients like keratinocyte growth factor KGF, copper peptides, and various amino acid complexes. Stimulation of hair follicles. Peptides work by stimulating blood circulation to the scalp, nourishing the hair follicles, and encouraging the growth of stronger, thicker hair. They may also prolong the anagen growth phase of the hair cycle, leading to increased hair density over time. Nutrient delivery. In addition to peptides, the serum may contain other ingredients such as vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants to provide essential nutrients to the scalp and hair follicles, supporting overall hair health and vitality. Hydration and moisture. Proper hydration is crucial for maintaining healthy hair. The serum may also include hydrating ingredients like hyaluronic acid or glycerin to help retain moisture in the scalp and hair follicles, preventing dryness and breakage. Application. The serum is typically applied directly to the scalp, focusing on areas of concern or thinning hair. It is usually massaged into the scalp to ensure thorough absorption of the active ingredients. Consistency. Results from using a multi-peptide serum for hair density may vary depending on factors such as the individual's genetics, overall health, and consistency of use. Regular application as directed is typically recommended to achieve and maintain desired results. It's important to note that while peptide serums can be effective for some individuals in promoting hair growth and density, they may not work for everyone, and results can vary. Additionally, it's always a good idea to consult with a dermatologist or trichologist before starting any new hair care regimen, especially if you have underlying scalp conditions or concerns. I have used this product. My hair is so much better. I want you guys to use it. It's awesome. The Ordinary Hair Care.